YouTube is a popular video sharing platform and social media website where users can upload, view, and share videos. It was founded in 2005 and has since become one of the most visited and widely used websites on the internet. Here are some key aspects of YouTube. Video content. YouTube primarily focuses on video content. Users can upload videos on a wide range of topics, including entertainment, education, tutorials, music, vlogging, gaming, and more. User-generated content. YouTube is known for its vast library of user-generated content. Anyone with an internet connection and a Google account can create and upload videos to the platform. Viewing and sharing. Users can watch videos on YouTube for free. They can also like, comment on, and share videos with others through social media and email. Channels. Content creators on YouTube often organize their videos into channels. Viewers can subscribe to channels they like, which allows them to receive updates when new content is published. Monetization. YouTube offers various ways for content creators to monetize their videos, including advertising revenue, channel memberships, merchandise shelf integration, and super chat during live streams. YouTube Premium. YouTube Premium is a subscription service that offers benefits such as ad-free viewing, offline downloads, access to YouTube Originals, and background play, which allows you to play videos while using other apps. Live streaming. YouTube allows users to live stream videos, which is used by many creators, gamers, and organizations for real-time interaction with their audience. Education and tutorials. YouTube hosts a vast collection of educational content, from instructional tutorials to full courses. Many educators and organizations use YouTube as a platform for sharing knowledge. Global reach. YouTube is available worldwide and supports multiple languages. It has a global community of users and content creators. Content policies. YouTube has community guidelines and policies that govern content uploaded to the platform. Content that violates these policies may be removed. Social media integration. Videos on YouTube can be shared on other social media platforms, making it easy for content to go viral and gain widespread exposure. YouTube has had a significant impact on internet culture, entertainment, and communication. It has given individuals and organizations a platform to reach a global audience and has created new opportunities for content creators, educators, and artists. Whether you're looking for entertainment, information, or a platform to share your own content, YouTube offers a diverse and dynamic space for video content.